Alright guys, so today we're gonna be checking inside of this speaker. If you guys sorry if my voice is different because I just woke up at 6:28 p.m. AM. So guys, what do you see in there? What do you see in there, guys? Let me know if you see something, guys. I'm gonna stick my hand into it. It's inside. What's that green stuff? Oh guys, so let me know if you guys see something in there, alright? But this is where the short ends, so bye.